General knowledge. Important days. Important days in January. Jan 1st, Army Medical Corps Establishment Day. Jan 8th, African National Congress Foundation Day. Jan 10, World Laughter Day. Jan 9, Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. Jan 11th, Death Anniversary of Lal Bahadur Shastri. Jan 12th, National Youth Day, Birthday of Swami Vivekananda. Jan 15th, Army Day. Jan 23, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose birth anniversary. Jan 25th, International Customs Duty Day, Indian Tourism Day, Indian Voters Day. Jan 26th, Republic Day. Jan 28th, birth anniversary of Lala Lajpat Rai. Jan 30, Martyrs Day, Mahatma Gandhi's Martyrdom Day, World Leprosy Eradication Day. Jan 31st, World Leprosy Eradication Day. Important days in February. Feb 2, World Wetlands Day. Feb 4th, National Day of Sri Lanka. Feb 5, Kashmir Day organized by Pakistan. Feb 13, Sarojini Naidu's birth anniversary. Feb 14th, St. Valentine's Day. Feb 24th, Central Excise Day. Feb 28th, National Science Day. Important days in March. March 3rd, National Defense Day. March 4th, International Security Day. March 8th, International Women's Day. March 9th, CISF Rising Day. March 12th, Mauritius Day, Central Industrial Security Force Day. March 15, World Consumer Day. March 16, National Vaccination Day. March 21st, World Forestry Day. March 22, World Day of Water. March 23, World Meteorologic Day. March 24th, World TB Day. March 26th, Bangladesh Liberation Day. Important days in April. April 1st, Orissa Day. April 5, National Maritime Day. April 7, World Health Day. April 13th, Jallianwala Bagh Massacre Day, 1919. April 14th, B.R. Ambedkar Remembrance Day. April 18th, World Heritage Day. April 22, World Earth Day. April 23, World Book Day. Important days in May. May 1st, International Labour's Day, Maharashtra Day. May 3rd, International Energy Day. May 8th, International Red Cross Day. It is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of the founder of the Red Cross organization, Jean Henry Dunant. May 11, National Technology Day. May 15th, International Family Day. May 17th, World Telecom Day. May 24th, Commonwealth Day. May 31st, World No Tobacco Day. Important days in June. June 5th, World Environment Day. June 8th, World Ocean Day. June 12th, World Day Against Child Labor. June 14th, World Blood Donor Day. June 15th, World Elder Abuse Awareness Day. June 17th, World Day to Combat Desertification. June 20, World Refugee Day. June 23rd, United Nations Public Service Day. June 26th, International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. June 29th, Statistics Day. Important days in July. July 1st, Doctors Day. July 4th, American Independence Day. June 11th, World Population Day. June 26th, Kargil Victory Day. June 28th, World Hepatitis Day. Important days in August. August 6th, Hiroshima Day. August 9th, Quit India Movement Day. August 12th, International Youth Day. August 14th, Pakistan's Independence Day. August 15th, India's Independence Day. August 19th, World Photography Day. August 20, Sadbhavan Divas. August 29, National Sports Day of India. Dhyan Chand's birthday. August 30, Small Industry Day. Important days in September. September 5, Teachers Day, Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday. September 7th, Forgiveness Day. September 8th, International Literacy Day. September 14th, Hindi Day, World First Aid Day. September 16th, World Ocean Day. 21st, International Day of Peace, World Officer Day. 25th, Social Justice Day. 27th, World Tourism Day. Important days in October. October 1st, International Day of the Elderly UN. October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti, International Day of Nonviolence. October 3rd, World Nature Day, World Habitat Day. October 4th, World Animal Day. 5th, World Teachers Day. 6th, World Wildlife Day, World Food Security Day. 8th, Indian Air Force Day. 9th, World Postal Day. 10th, World Mental Health Day, National Post Day. 11th, International Girl Child Day. 12th, World Sight Day. 13th, World Calamity Control Day, UN. 14th, World Standard Day. 15th, World White Cane Day, Guiding the Blind. 16th, World Food Day. 17th, International Poverty. 12th, National Solidarity Day. China attacked India on that day. 24th, United Nations Day. 30, World Thrift Day. 31st, Rashtriya Ekta Divas, Sardar Patel, National Integration Day in memory of Indian Gandhi. Important days in November. November 7th, Infant Protection Day, World Cancer Awareness Day. 9th, Legal Service Day. November 10th, Transport Day. 14th, Children's Day, World Diabetics Day. 17th, Guru Nanak Devi's birth anniversary. 26th, Law Day. 30, Flag Day. Important days in December. December 1st, World AIDS Day. 3rd, World Disability Day. 4th, Navy Day. 7th, Armed Force Flag Day. 10th, Human Rights Day. 11th, UNICEF Day. December 14th, National Energy Conservation Day. December 19th, Goa's Liberation Day. December 23rd, Kisan Divas, Farmers Day.